Hi, I'm Reiki Sao and I'm founder of Malée Natural Science. I'm passionate about smooth, supple skin and also multi-purpose products that you can take when you travel and anywhere with you. And one of the products that I'm most proud of creating is our Verdure Moisturising Oil. It's made with coconut oil, argan oil, rosehip oil, all amazing oils that help with scarring, nourishing, improving the appearance of the skin, and elasticity, giving you that youthful glow. I was inspired to create this product because travel for me is high on my list. And finding something since that 100ml travel ban came into place was very key. And this can be used from head to toe. You apply it using very little because a little goes a long way. It has the same texture as it would a dry oil, but the nourishment of an amazing, intense treatment oil. With this, you can expect smooth, supple, glowing skin that's going to look healthy and nourished all year round. And you can use this from your hair down to your toes as a treatment oil in your hair or a mask for your hands at night or your feet at night. And one of the key pro tips from me to you is stick this in the fridge before a day out on the beach. And when you come back after a nice shower, the cooling oil will be amazing on your skin. And our customers especially love this product because it can be used by the whole family, from babies down to mums, dads, grandmas, uncles, and it's a great product for the whole family.